Everybody, welcome back. It is Funky Format Thursday and time for your Thursday Daily Deal. And you know you want to know. So come on in, please like and share the video. And if it's your first time here, well, we try to have themes and fun and smiles and saving your money and all kinds of stuff here, guys. I mean, come on into my house. We don't just save you money. We try to help you be happy, help you be healthy, and just help you in general. Because we love you. So, yep, love you bunches. Thank you very much for stopping by. If you're not one of our crazy friends, well, look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. That way, well, you'll be one. Yep, and you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information, and just having a fun little time here at Jenny's, aka Crazy Country Couponers. Alright, guys, it is, like I said, Funky Format Thursday. So, and to that end, let's have some Funky Format thumb. There you go. Fun. We're going to do a medication deal, guys, because the allergies and this up and down weather is absolutely ridiculous. Air conditioner was on all night long last night, all day today, and now I'm sitting here bundled up because the temperature is plummeting. So, some of you, that's causing some issues. So let's get you hooked up with some stuff to make you feel better. Now, we already talked about the allergy deals in one of our last videos. If you have a lot of allergies or you use allergy medication, please go back to the channel and check the video about the allergy medication. That's our store field trip out video. Now, just a little heads up, we had some new coupons posts. Look, one of my favorites, save $2 on 2 Breyers, Klondike, or Reese's frozen desserts. Okay? And then we had a new Hellman's $3 off of one, and it's attaching to the $4.25 regular Hellman's. It's going to make that $1.25. So you make sure you get you some of this, on a daily deal, any day deal. Just go and get you some mayonnaise. Now, I hope not, but if you happen to have a sick baby, we've got $2 off Pedialyte, and it's $6, okay? So, this is a really good savings for you. You might want to go ahead and pick this up in a scenario if you've got babies and put it in your cupboard, and that way it's there when you need it. Okay, we've got an abundance of NyQuil coupons, and they're attaching to some of the smallest NyQuils. And again, this is good stuff to have in your medicine cabinet because when this stuff hits, you don't want to run to the store. You don't want to go nowhere. And you don't need to be going anywhere because you might be contagious. Okay? So you need to have this kind of stuff in your medicine chest. And that way it's there available to you. It gets you through the first couple of days. Okay? So we're going to pick up the NyQuil Severe cough medicine or severe medicine. Okay? $5.50 for the NyQuil, this regular NyQuil. Then if you got NyQuil, you got to have some DayQuil, okay? Because you got to be able to function during the day. So you're going to pick up a bottle of the $5.50 DayQuil. And you might just be having some problems sleeping. So let's pick up some ZQuil, Sleep Aid. And that is $4.35, and all of these are the small liquid bottles. So you're at $15.35 right here. You've got $6 coming off. That is $9.35 out of pocket for 3 different meds. That's like $3.10, 11 cents for those items, okay? Now, that was daily deal number 1. Which means it's an any day deal, okay? Now, any day, daily deal number 2, we're going to pick up the Schick razors. You've got the Skin Mate, or you've got the Schick regular greens. Those are $7. You've got a $4 off. It'll leave you $3 out of pocket. This is a really good deal. And then next, we're going to pick up some vitamin D3. Okay, the vitamin D3, it's been wintertime. You're not getting enough sunlight. So if you feel all achy all over, well, it could be that your vitamin D3 is low. Okay, now this is $2.90, and you got a dollar coupon coming off. Now you can also pick up vitamin C. Your out of pocket will be a little bit more. But this is your second any day deal, and you're at $9.90. You're getting $5 off, leaving you $4 out of pocket for 2 items, or $2 an item. Now you know how the new format works. We're going to take and add both of these any day deals together and make a 5 off 25 scenario. So you're looking at 25.25. That's really close cutting it, guys. So make sure you have something with you just in case it doesn't work. You might need to add a piece of candy or something off the dollar aisle. Okay, so you've got $16 in coupons coming off of this deal. That is a $9.25 out of pocket. Winner for 5 items, guys. Yes, like $1.90 an item, something like that. So that is an awesome deal right there. And here is your math page. So this is your math page right here. That is your daily deal number 1. Your any day deal number 2. And this is your 5 off 25 scenario for this transaction or this daily deal. So there you go, guys. Your funky format Thursday daily deal and your scenario to go with it. So stay tuned. We've got a glitch video coming up that is full of all of our glitches and scenarios to go with it. Okay, it's Friday. We're going to see if we can't get you a super low out of pocket. Okay, because that's what really makes you smile. It's like winning at the casino. So blessings. I'll talk to you again real soon. Don't forget, just like every video, leave my 3-word comment and like it and share. Thank you.